That is the message. But what happens? हमारे यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Without understanding the phenomenon, we go on doing it. We just go on doing it. We are doing it, but we don't know what is the reason. We don't know. So next time if somebody will die, and you will reach there, you will stand in silence for 2 minutes without even understanding the facts and figures why we are here to maintain silence for 2 minutes. That is called miscommunication or the communication gap, because the next generation has not told you why it is really. Are you getting my point or not? So we have to know the secrets. Basically, as a human being, we have some types of communication, and the types of communication says the first is interpersonal communication. What is interpersonal communication? It's very easy. When you are communicating with your friends, family members, anybody who's a human being, that's called interpersonal communication. Second is, now this is really important. 90% of your problem, listen to me very carefully. 90% of your problems that you have in your life is because of intrapersonal communication. You might ask me how. Let me tell you. How many times do you see your image in your mind? Honestly tell me. How many times in a day do you see your image in your mind? How many times, Mr. Ashok? How many times do you see your image in your mind? Okay, fine. Now tell me, let's say, yes? How many times? Yes? 2 times. Let's say 2 times. If you see your image 2 times, what comes into your brain when you look at your image? Be honestly tell me. When you look at your image, let's say you are saying 2 times. So if you look at your image in your mind 2 times, what are the feelings which you gather? Honestly tell me, somebody, anybody from the mass. What is the feeling that time? What is the feeling that comes? Yes?
Somewhere this interpersonal communication as a mind, हमारा face जैसे रहता है, वो वाला suppose हमारा गलत किया रहा है उसको suppose कैसे rectify कर सकते हैं वैसे सोच नहीं तो हम लोग इतना ही suppose और थोड़ा अच्छा
Okay, that is one thing, fine. Second,
others want to see me like a beautiful, like a good person.
That's your personal, personal belief. आप जब अपने चेहरे को देखता है, तो आपको क्या दिखता है उसमें? When you look at your, see, it is all about self-image. Intrapersonal means self-image. 2 things may happen. First, maybe you are talking to yourself. Try to understand. मैं अभी थोड़े टाइम के बाद में डीप में जाऊंगा, इसलिए आपको ये सब समझा रहा हूं. इस केस में ये हो सकता है कि आप शब्दों से अपने आप को देख रहे हैं. Can you see the difference in the image? In this case, the girl is thinking about herself not in terms of image but in terms of voice. Some voices are ringing in her head. That is the first case. In this case, second thing may happen. दूसरा ये picture हो सकता है. You look at your own image and you talk to your image. आप सबसे मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि आपके ब्रेन में क्या चलता है? Whether it is the first case or it is the second case. Like in case of you, yes, what happens? Whether you look your image or you hear some words.
voice here.
You hear your voice. You are auditory. लिखिए. You write yourself. AUDITORB. What happens in your case? Mr. Satish, do you look at your image or you hear some words ringing?
I hear some dreams.
Ringing. Okay, tell me one thing. अभी मैंने आपको short story बताया. I told you a short story. While I was telling you the short story, how many of you made a picture of that boy? How many of you made a picture of that hotel? How many of you made a picture of that tune? And how many of you made a picture of that friend of a friend? How many of you? Okay, fine. How many of you heard what I was saying? आप सिर्फ मेरी बात को सुने. You did not picturize the word. You did not picturize any image. कोई होटल नहीं बनाया, कोई आदमी नहीं बनाया, कोई चाय वाला नहीं बनाया, कुछ भी आपको ब्रेन में नहीं. आप सिर्फ मेरे शब्दों के साथ चलो. How many of you?
वो सभी एक ही है. हमारे जो पिछले
Actually, sir, I was not thinking anything. But when you told about Narendra Modi, I started thinking about Narendra Modi.
And you thought about Narendra Modi when I was telling you the story about a guy.
No, you suddenly told us, na, don't think about Narendra Modi. That time I started thinking of Narendra Modi.
Exactly.
That time the childhood picture.
Now what happens the moment? See, let me tell you something. Right now, don't think about monkey. Please don't think about monkey. Please don't think about monkey. Mr. Ashok, please don't do that. Please don't think about monkey. How many monkeys are there in your brain right now? Single monkey. Now what did I say to him?
Don't think about.
Please don't think about monkey, and monkey appears. And monkey appears. The moment I say, please don't think about Narendra Modi appears.
Yes.
Now, let's say if I understand this technology of your brain, I can play with your brain. I can play with your brain. And I can do anything what I want to do with your brain. If I know the techniques of brain, I can play with your brain. For example, if I tell you, don't think about a lady.
सर जब वो प्रेस करके वही बात बोलेगा ना तब वो उसी में ये ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेट
नहीं, here it is not the issue of pressing. Here the thing is, the moment you neglect something, you negate something, you ask somebody, don't do that, don't do
It
that,
comes more and more.
it comes more why? Why it comes? Because everybody wants their self-identity. अभी मैं बॉडी लैंग्वेज बताऊंगा. Everybody wants their self-identity. वो self-identity को break up कर रहे हो. नहीं, ये नहीं करना है. Once it happened, I went to one school, and the principal came to me. Principal said to me, "Sir, we have got all the talented students in our school." Recently, 1 month back, I will not name the school. It is not good. So I went there, and the principal came to me. Principal escorted, साथ में आया, and he said, "We have got all the talented students of Korma at our school only. You will feel very good when you will talk to them, when you will interact, when you will share your knowledge and all." I said, "Fine, that's really nice." I was there inside the classroom. Suddenly a teacher came, and the teacher said, "Let me demonstrate some of the skills of our talented students." "Okay, please, my dear students, tell me the name of the animal that starts with E." She said, "Tell me the name of an animal that starts with E." Suddenly, the boy who was sitting at the back, he stood, he raised his hand, and the man said, "Sir, I told you they are very intelligent." I said, "Yeah, I can see that." Then he said, "Okay, tell me." He said, "Man, it's elephant." He said, "It's elephant." And then again she said to me, "Sir, I told you." She again pointed. "Sir, I told you." I said, "Yes, I can see that." "Okay, you please have your seat. Now, tell me the name of the animal that starts with T." And suddenly, the same guy again raised his hand. "Sir, I told you, he is actually very talented." "Okay, please." He stood and he said, "2 elephants." And then I looked at the face of the teacher. And the teacher was looking at the face of that boy. Because she claimed that he is very intelligent. And then I said, "He is really a talented guy." Then she said, "Please sit in your place." "You nonsense." He's actually joking. I said, "It's fine." "Okay, tell me the name of the elephant. Tell me the name of the animal that starts with M." Again he raised his hand. And now you see, what is non-verbal communication? Tell me, what is non-verbal communication? Non-verbal communication ये बोल रहा है कि ये क्या करने वाला है? नहीं, ये जो भी बोलने वाला है मैडम को नहीं पता, लेकिन non-verbal communication ये बोल रहा है कि ये मेरे को गुस्सा दिलाने वाला है. That is clear. वो क्यों? उसका हाथ उठाने का स्टाइल है. That is very clear. So this time that man said, "No, you please shut your mouth. I don't want to hear any name of the animal from your mouth." She said, "No, ma'am, I know the name of the animal." "Okay, please tell me." "Ma'am, maybe an elephant." Now what happens? This is the importance of a non-verbal communication. This is a great example of a non-verbal communication. Somebody is sitting out there. He is not communicating anything to you, and you are getting angry. And in fact, you see, who is getting angry? The teacher who has got an experience of more than 25 years, who is teaching a kid, gets angry. What a foolishness! Teachers are saying, "We are very stressed. Though we are well dressed, but we are very stressed." Everywhere, wherever you go, you'll find that we are well dressed, but very stressed. Do something. This is the importance of non-verbal communication. So, okay, now I can come back to the point. What I want to tell you is, if you look at your image in your head, that's the first phase. Second, if you hear the voice in your head, 2 types of personalities are there. One who looks at the image, and second who hears the word. The first category of people who look at the image, they are visual people. I mean, let me give you a small demonstration. The moment you will come and you will say, "कल हम लोग by road एक गांव जाने वाले हैं." तुरंत वो दिमाग में एक पिक्चर बनाएगा, गाड़ी में बैठे हैं हम लोग, गांव पहुंच गए। कौन? जो विजुअल होगा। आप जब बोल रहे हैं कल हम लोग गांव जाने वाले हैं, वो कोई इमेज नहीं बनाएगा, वो सिर्फ आपके वर्ड्स को सुन रहा है। आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि मैं यहाँ पे आके इतना रूट क्यों गया? व्हाई? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट? क्योंकि आपको पहले ये पता होना चाहिए कि वेदर यू आर विजुअल और वेदर यू आर ऑडिटरी। आई सेड टू, नो, whether you are visual or whether you are auditory। अब आप देखो क्लास 10 में एक बच्चा चल रहा है, सडनली मैडम आती है और मैडम बोलती है टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड समथिंग अबाउट मोटर्स, वी आर गोइंग टू रीड समथिंग अबाउट मोटर्स। अगर वो विजुअल है तो उसको क्या चाहिए? अगर वो विजुअल है तो उसको क्या चाहिए? उसको मोटर दिखना चाहिए। लेकिन उसने मोटर देखा क्या? उसने नहीं देखा, ये नहीं समझ पाया। अगर वो ऑडिटरी है तो मैडम जो बोल रही है वो सुनेगा, वो पूरा सुनेगा उसको। और जब क्लास खत्म होगा, उसके बाद जब टेस्ट होगा, तो जो ऑडिटरी था वो पूरा सुना था, तो वो जाके क्या करता है? वो लिख लेता है। जो विजुअल है वो कुछ नहीं लिखता, वो फेल हो जाता है। और जब ये फेल होता है तो वो टीचर क्या बोलता है? तुम्हारा तो ध्यान जो है ना वो नहीं रहता है। भैया उसका पूरा ध्यान है तुम्हारी क्लास में, तुमको पढ़ाना नहीं आता है। The problem is with you because you don't understand that somebody is visual and somebody is auditory। You know why in presentation like this we are showing this to you? मैं आपको बिना स्लाइड के भी बोल सकता हूँ नहीं, बिना स्लाइड के भी मैं आपको बोल सकता हूँ, but why I am showing this image to you because I don't know how many of you are visual and how many of you are auditory. So I am speaking also and I am showing something to you also. That means those who are visual they can see, those who are auditory they can listen to me. Now that's the whole picture, and these are some of the advanced things that we are adopting, particularly trainers, those who really understand this model. Okay. Now अगर आप इमेज देखते हैं to make you understand, please come. Mr. Ashok. Do you love tea? You don't love tea? Okay. What do you love the most? I mean, in food or something which you have, which you drink. कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको बहुत पसंद है? Water. Okay. Show me the water. You love this? Okay. Drink it. How does it feel? Fine. Okay. Now listen to me. Now listen to me carefully. Please, please, please. कुछ है तो आप कर लीजिए पहले मुझको। Okay. Now listen to me very carefully, Mr. Ashok. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this water? 1 से लेकर 10 में इस water को आप कैसे रेट करेंगे? Water. I mean, if you love this. If you love this, rating 1 से 10 में आपको अच्छा लग रहा है पानी, इसको रेट करिए 1 to 10. 10 out of 10. Okay. Make it 9. Make it 9. अगर आप इसको 9 बनाएंगे इस पानी को, तो क्या दिख रहा है कि 9 बनेगा? मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं? इस पानी को जो 10 में 10 है अभी, आप उसको 9 कैसे बना सकते हैं? सोचिए क्या कमी कर सकते हैं? आपको देखना है पिक्चर को ब्रेन में। आप इसको 9 कैसे बना सकते हैं? आपके अभी तक के एक्सपीरियंसेस में कोई ऐसा पानी आपको कभी मिला? हाँ, कुछ तो ऐसा आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया जिससे आप इसको बोलेंगे नहीं अब ये 9 है, मेरे को ये दिख रहा है इसमें अब ये 9 है। हो सकता है कोई जानवर आप उसमें देख लेंगे, नहीं अब ये 9 है। आप देखो उसमें, कुछ देखो और मेक इट 9। It is 9 now. Now make it 6. And now when you make it 6, tell me, जब आप उसको 6 बना रहे हैं तो आप अपने ब्रेन में क्या देख रहे हैं?
Well water.
हाँ? Well water. Okay. And now just listen to him carefully. First is well water. He is watching in his brain. अभी अपने ब्रेन में क्या देख रहे हैं? It is the well water. हाँ. What else you are watching? और क्या आप देख रहे हैं? इसको 6 बना रहे हैं। 10 में 10 था अभी इसको 6 बना रहे हैं। तो अभी एक हो गया well water पानी है। आप देख रहे हैं उसको इमेजिन कर रहे हैं और क्या आ रहा है उसमें से well water से? और क्या ऐसा चीज है जिसके नाम इसको 6 बना पाए? नहीं उसी पानी में वेल वाटर में और क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं कि इसको 6 बना पा रहे हैं?
ज़्यादा
देखिए उसमें देखिए इस पानी में वो देखो आप उसमें। How can you make it 6? Yes. You see कलर दिख रहा है? कौन सा कलर दिख रहा है? इसी में देखो आप उसमें। Yes.
Impurities.
You are watching the impurities? Okay. I want all of you to notice this. First of all, He looked at the water and it was 10 on 10, right? Now I asked him to make it 6 on 10. And when I asked him to make it 6 on 10, he's looking at something. वो क्या देख रहा है पानी में? He is looking that it is not a mineral water, it is a well water. And second is it has got some impurities. Are you washing those impurities right now? Wash those impurities, fine. Make it 5. Make it 5.
We'll be getting some other.
What will you see in that water that you can make it 5? Leaves, okay. Some leaves are there. Or anything else you can watch on this water to make it 5.
Ganda smell आ
You look there. Yes. इसको leaves डालने से 5 कर लिया. Okay. Make it 3. Make it 3. और जो आप करेंगे मेरे को बताएंगे कि 3 आपको कब दिख रहा है.
इसका कलर चेंज हुआ.
What is the color?
It's almost red.
Red. Anything else?
Orange color.
Orange. What else? अच्छे से आराम से देखो आपको यार बड़ी. Yes. What else?
I think it can be used for washing.
Okay, you're watching in your brain. It can be used for washing. Okay.
Washing.
Washing. Yeah. I could understand. Then. Okay. Make it 1.
It's a drainage water.
Yes. Drainage water. What else? What else you're watching there? It's a drainage water. Right now you're watching that water? Right now you're watching that water? Yes, it is a drainage water. What else?
It is a drain that mixing with river.
Mixed with river water. Mixed with river water. What else? That's it. Make it -5. Make it -5. If you have to make the same water -5, what will you do?
It smells.
It smells.